Welcome to the Blutick. Leads are coming from Google and Meta. So landing pages is converting to the WhatsApp API. So how is the automatically give the reply? Sending the instant reply. Who is the get the lead? Appointment book. Automatically book the appointment. Send the demo link. See the click the Blutick. Automatically tags created and demo timings created. We send the bulk messages in the one single click and send broadcasting. Who's a member I'm sending. So at a time create the name, send the any template and choose the one file and select the timer. Whatever the timer, we can send it instant broadcasting. So how is the delivery rate? And everything is a 53% above will charge, and successful rate is almost is a 53%. Failed, some messages are failed, and these are the dashboard. See the dashboards how is getting leads. So now is 1000 leads we can send a voice call at a time. This voice call is bots. You can import your voice, and AI bots will automatically send your voice to one way. And our calendar, CRM the calendar, appointment book date, all the calendars date, you will be demo can schedule the date. See, we can the 5-in-1 tool. Email marketing, we have the email marketing, SMS, RCS and voice call also. These are the 5-in tool in the automated. Never miss the leads again and again, because of these are fully automatic advanced technology there. These systems is the run automatically and you never miss the leads. You can relax the business, and fully 24/7 auto chatbots AI call will get in that instantly. Thank you for watching my demo.